Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome back again to our lessons. Inshallah, today we are going to learn about the Arabic vowels. Okay, in Arabic we have two kind of vowels. We have the short vowels and the long vowels. Now today what we are doing are the short vowels. Inshallah, we are going to name the names of the vowel, then afterwards we are going to read their sounds, okay, their names and their sound, how they sound. Okay, inshallah, let's dive into the first one. So if you look here, we have two strokes on top, below, and this people said it looks like a 9. Okay, it has a name. Okay, and these lines here, these are representations of letters. Okay, so in Arabic a letter comes, then a vowel comes either on top or below, on top or below. Okay, so this is just a representation of a letter. So inshallah, the first one here we call this Fatha, 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 Kasra, Kasra, Dhamma, Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Kasra, Kasra, Fatha, Fatha, Dhamma, Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Fatha, Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra, Kasra, Dhamma, Dhamma, Kasra, Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. Fatha, Fatha, Kasra, Kasra, Dhamma, Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, Fatha, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Kasra, Dhamma, Fatha, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Kasra, Kasra, Dhamma, Dhamma, Fatha, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Fatha, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, Kasra. Then we have, okay, remember we said these ones we call them Fatha, but if you see them here, they look like double. In fact, they are double. Okay, so double Fatha, double Kasra, and here we can say double Dhamma. But in Arabic, we call this one Fathatain, okay, which means two Fathas. This is just a Fatha, but here we have Fathatain, 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 which simply means two Fathas, okay. Kasratain, Kasratain, Kasratain. Then we have Dhammatain, Dhammatain, Dhammatain. Fathatain, Fathatain, Fathatain. Kasratain, Kasratain, Kasratain. Dhammatain, Dhammatain, Dhammatain. Fathatain, you can say Fathatani or Fathatain, Fathatain, Kasratain, Kasratain, Dhammatain, Dhammatain. Fathatain, Kasratain, Dhammatain. Fathatani, Kasratani, Dhammatani. I hope you've heard that one. I just said again, Fathatani, Kasratani, Dhammatani. It means the same. You can also say Fathatain, Kasratain, Dhammatain. So whichever you like, you can say it. But they do have a difference when you sound them like that. Inshallah, that one we will know, inshallah, in the advanced part of Quran and Arabic. Fathatain, Kasratain, Dhammatain. Dhammatain, Fathatain, Fathatain, Kasratain, Kasratain, فتحتين فتحتين كسرتين كسرتين ضمتين ضمتين كسرتين فتحتين. Now in this line here we've mixed them together. Okay, so let's go through them. فتحة فتحتين فتحة فتحتين كسرة كسرتين كسرتين كسرة كسرة كسرتين. Okay, فتحة كسرة ضمة فتحتين كسرتين ضمتين ضمتين ضمة ضمتين ضمة ضمتين فتحة فتحة كسرة كسرة ضمة ضمة فتحتين كسرتين ضمتين فتحة كسري ضمة, or you can say فتحة كسرة ضمة. Okay, now how do they sound like? Okay, let's see how they sound. Okay, remember in English the vowels are a, e, o, u. Okay, now in Arabic we only have a, e, u. Okay, and this other one will reach it. Read. Now let's start with this one. So the first one here we say a, 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 e, e, u, u. So fatha a, fatha a, kasra e, kasra e, dhamma u, dhamma u. How this, that is the name and the sound. Fatha a, kasra e, dhamma u, dhamma u. A, e, u. E, a, u, a, e, u, a, u, e, u, e, u, a, 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 e, u, e, u, a, e, u, a, e, u, a, e, e. Then on this one, remember we said this is fathatain, okay, this is kasratain or kasratain, and this is dhammatain. So we said fatha, fathatain, which means one fatha, two fatha. Okay, now here the name and the sound. Fathatain, an is the sound. An. Kasratain, in. Kasrataini, in. Kasrataini, in. Kasrataini, in. Dhammataini, un. Dhammataini, un. Dhammataini, un. So fathataini, an. Fathataini, an. Fathataini, an. An, in. Un, an, in, 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 an, in, un, in, an. Okay, one thing before I forget, this an, in, un, or fathatain, kasratain, dhammatain, they have one family name, or which we call them tanween. tanween. Tanween in Arabic means putting a noon at the end, okay? Putting a noon sakna at the end. Can you hear the n sound, the n sound at the end? An, in, un. That's why they are called tanween. So whenever you hear tanween, tanween means fathataini, kasrataini, dhammatain, okay? Okay, tanween, fathataini, kasrataini, dhammatain. Now here we have the mixture of them. So fatha, fathatain, remember fatha, fathatain, fatha, fathatain. So here we have a, an, e, in, e, in, a, e, u, an, in, un, u, un, a, e, u, an, in, un, a, e, u. As we go to the last part, we have one more line here. Please do not forget to share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, please do not forget to ask. If you have any concerns, please let us know. Okay, inshallah, let's finish this last one here. Okay, so in the last line here we have two extra vowels, short vowels. We have these ones, the ones which look like number 3 facing upside down. Okay, then we have a small circle here. Okay, these ones we call them sukun. So these ones we call them shadda. Okay, so in this last line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the names and the sound. Okay, the names and the sound, inshallah. So we have fatha a, kasri i, dhamma u, fathatain an, kasritaini in, dhammataini un. So a, e, u, an, in, un. Easy peasy. Now look at this one. The one which looks like 3 facing up, upside down here, we call it Shadda. Shadda is the name. Okay, Shadda just means 2 similar letters. Okay, when you put 2 similar letters together, this one will be a representation of the 2 letters. We'll just put 1 letter, then this one on top, which means there are 2 letters. Okay, we'll go through this one further in the coming lessons, inshallah. But they don't have a sound. They'll just follow a sound of fatha, kasri, dhamma, or fathatain, kasratain, dhammatain. Okay, so just remember, shadda means 2 letters. Okay, one of them, the first one has a sukun, the second one has either fatha, kasri, or dhamma. Sukun is any letter without a vowel. Okay, like for example, if you want to say in Arabic, on top of the mim you're going to put this sukun. If you want to say s, instead of you putting fatha, kasri, dhamma, fathataini, kasrataini, or dhammatain, you're going to put sukun, because we said sukun is any alphabet without a vowel, a consonant, that is. Okay, so sukun means a letter without a vowel. Okay, so you'll just put sukun on top of it, just making the sound of the letter, like s, sh, r, z, f, n, l, like that. Alif with a fatha is but alif with a sukun is like you have a hiccup. Okay, so but the rest, like f, s, sh, r, z, f, l, we are going to use sukun. Okay, inshallah we are going to show examples in the coming lessons. So here we have fatha a, then we have sukun, shadda, then kasri i, sukun, shadda, dhamma u, sukun, shadda, sukun, or sakna. Some other people call it sakna or sukun. You can call it sakna or sukun, whichever you like. SAKNA, 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 or SUKUUN, SUKUUN, SUKUUN. شدة شدة شدة. فتحة أ، كسر إي، ضمة أو. فتحتين أن، كسرتين إن، ضمتين أون. And lastly a sukun. Inshallah, ma'a salama. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please share with other people. Please like also our video. And if you have any comment, let us know down there in the comment section. Ma'a salama. See you in the next lesson. Shukran.